Hey fellow stock guardians, happy Wednesday, June 9th, 2021. I'm Hoda, a Stockcard CEO, reporting to you from a red stock market. I took a quick look at the stock market indices movements and dug into a few telemedicine stocks or telehealth stocks that investors should consider buying or adding to their watch lists. All three market indices ended in the red today. Much like the past couple of weeks, investors remain unsure of what the future holds. It seems this week they're waiting for the Consumer Price Index report to shed some light on inflationary fears. Let's see how it changes the market sentiment when it comes out tomorrow, June 10th. Folks, as you know, on Stockcard's stock pick page, we host a portfolio of several successful investors. These investors are your favorite YouTubers, stock picking newsletters, and content creators. One of the most followed investors on Stockcard is Joseph Hogue from the Let's Talk Money YouTube channel. Joseph publishes a new video every Monday and uses Stockcard to do his research. This Monday's video is quite interesting. He used the telemedicine list of stocks on Stockcard to pick 3 companies you have never heard of but should buy now. Joseph argues that telehealth services benefited heavily from removing red tape and accelerated the adoption of telemedicine thanks to the pandemic. Let's hear about one of his excellent stock picks. Joseph, take it away.
Next here is OptimizeRx Corp, ticker OPRX, another medical technology company in the pharmaceutical space. OptimizeRx is the nation's largest point-of-care communications platform with features in symptoms diagnosis, treatment selection, prescriptions, and patient support. Basically, the platform helps doctors prescribe the right medications and make sure the patients are taking them, which is kind of a goldmine for the pharmaceutical clients of the company. Revenue has grown at a 52% annualized pace over the last decade, with $58 million expected this year and $78 million in 2022. Now that does make it the most expensive on our list though, at 14.6 times on a price to sales basis, but in line with peers, and that addressable market is giant here. Over $20 billion is spent by pharmaceutical makers in annual marketing to providers each year, with just $4 billion of that in digital. OptimizeRx has a strong platform that can take market share in the existing $4 billion and expand it out into that other $16 billion as well. Analysts have an average price target of $50 a share here, which is close to the current price, but I think this one can surprise higher as it builds back to that $62 peak and beyond.
Thanks, Joseph. Folks, make sure to visit Joseph's Bowtie Nation portfolio on the stock pick page, and I leave a link in the show notes so you can watch the full video by him. Let's keep the telemedicine and telehealth stock theme today. As we discussed, although the pandemic caused plenty of serious challenges throughout the healthcare industry, the silver lining is that advancements we've seen born out of necessity. Just like Joseph Hogue said, I used the Stockcard's telehealth stock list for today's stock reviews. 3 companies grabbed my attention. Clover Health, ticker CLOV, is a good example of telehealth stocks. The company provides a great insurance model and patient-centered analytics. Recently, Reddit had set its sights on the heavily shorted company, hoping to trigger another price squeeze. As with many similar situations, the share price is down 23-ish%. With zero notable news today, it's safe to assume the drop is retail investors cashing out on their gains. CLOV stock has roughly doubled in the last 30 days from $8 per share to more than $16 per share. Another telehealth stock that caught my eyes was iRobot Corporation's IRBT. We all know the company for its iconic Roomba vacuum cleaning robots. So I was surprised to see iRobot on the telehealth list of stocks. Recently, however, the FDA cleared iRobot's new RP-V model, which is a robot that assists workers in hospitals. The stock is down today by more than 4%, but this can be an excellent diversification and growth potential that iRobot investors have been waiting for. Last but not least, With many exciting names floating around in the telehealth industry, it's easy to forget the giants eyeing the healthcare scene. Amazon AMZN announced today that it has and will continue to sign up several companies for its new telehealth service, Amazon Care. With its infrastructure and massive capital, it's not difficult to imagine Amazon has a shot at dominating the market. Some analysts even assume Teladoc Health's TDOC's 1.6% loss today is due to Amazon's news. Well, folks, that's it for today. If you haven't already done so, please give a stock card a try. Research as many stocks and ETFs as you want. And consider following a few successful investors by visiting the Stock Pick page on a stock card platform. And don't forget to sign up for the 14-day free trial with promo code ROLLWITHOURCEO, all lowercase and in one word. And you know what I'm asking you at the end of each episode. Help us grow the Stock Guardian community by liking, subscribing, and sharing these reports with your fellow investors. I'll see you tomorrow.